How to export any messages from any phone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the message that you want to share or export and take a screenshot of it. Scroll down and take another screenshot and scroll down and another screenshot. Then you want to share it through Instagram or Messenger or any other apps. You can do that, or you can make a PDF and send it to them. Make a PDF. I'm using Cam Scanner. You can use any other apps that is available in App Store or Google Play Store. In Cam Scanner, you want to go ahead and tap on camera-like option and tap on the gallery and select the messages that you want to send and tap on import on the top right corner. After some time, the picture that you have screenshotted will be processed and made as a PDF. Then you want to tap on the tick mark on the bottom right corner. After that PDF has been made, you can scroll down and see through it and the messages will be appear as it is. Now you can tap on the share button on the bottom middle and then share the messages in any of the apps that you prefer to your friends. That is how you can export messages from any phone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.